Baba, there's problem. Is this my stomach? I've tried different things. I've gone to different places. I've taken different things. This stomach is not going down. We just there. It's just there.
My son,
Papa?
there's a solution for you.
Okay, sir.
But it will cost you.
Okay.
It will cost you. You need to bring one gecko ear. You need alligator liver. You need a green serpentine feces.
Will you keep quiet?
With this, we'll do all these things for you. And you will be slim and fit.
But what, is there no way you can help me? How would I go? I'm looking for
Worry not.
Continue.
I told you you're in the right place.
Yes, sir.
We can help you get these items.
Yes, sir.
But it will cost you money.
Okay, sir.
It will cost you 20K.
No problem, sir. No problem, sir. This is the money, sir.
Is this complete?
It's complete, sir. 20,000, sir. It's complete, sir.
My son, this is the solution to your problem. Trim and Fit Diet Coffee. This will reduce your tummy to the barest minimum. It helps to fight every fat in your body. And it's sweet. You drink it like tea.
Why you can't ask me for lizard ear and a green snake piece? All those things. Why you can give me this one to drink and be happy?
My son, the everyday Instagram at Trim and Fit Coffee Abuja. Follow them. They will give you, they can supply anywhere in this world. Drink this thing. Your problem don't finish.
Yeah, Papa, give my money back now. If this one you're going to sell for me like this now.
Give me which money back? Every time I go online, say, cut soap for me, cut soap for me, cut soap for me. I don't cut soap for you now. You see, they say, give me my money back. When I see all these flat topics, see, and I hear Trim and Fit Coffee, Diet Coffee. Go.